Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Patience of a Monk. A moral story: patience and devotion pays off. A monk once asked his mentor, "What must I do to become a great monk?" His mentor replied, "Show your devotion and faith in God. You must pray to Him and renounce the world." The monk set off to a forest and sat under a tree praying to God. Sometimes he did not have food to eat. But his faith in God was strong, and he knew only good would happen to him. The angels saw him from heaven and noticed his devotion. They decided to test him. They sent a fairy that danced and sang in front of the monk. But the monk was never distracted. He kept his eyes closed and his mind on God. The angels were impressed with the monk's devotion and blessed him with a long life. They asked him to be God's messenger and serve the people of the earth.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.